Welcome, I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode we will be making enchiladas lasagna. Guys, this recipe is quick and easy to make but full of flavor. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. We are going to start by chopping one large onion. And guys, after chopping our onion, we are going to start with our chicken breast, and I am just going to dice them into cubes. Here is my chicken breast, guys. As you can see, I had went and diced them into cubes, and now it's time to season our meat. I am going to add some black pepper, garlic powder, cumin, onion powder, oregano, coriander, smoked paprika, and Adobo seasoning. Go ahead and give that a mix. Here is our chicken breast, and it is well seasoned, so go ahead and set this aside. Over a medium heat in a large skillet, we are going to add some oil. Now it's time to add our chorizo, which is pork sausage. And we're just going to break that sausage up. So after breaking up the sausage, go ahead and cook that for about 10 to 12 minutes. Guys, after 10 minutes, this is how my chorizo is looking. It looks great. Now I am going to remove it and place it in a bowl. After removing our chorizo, we're going to add some oil to the skillet and add our chicken. So what we're going to do now is basically cook our chicken. After 4 minutes, this is how our chicken is looking. That looks great. So now we are going to add our diced tomatoes and our kidney beans. Add your chorizo back in. Okay, after giving this a stir, go ahead and add in your onions. Now give that a mix. And now we're going to allow this to come to a simmer. Okay, while we wait, guys, we are going to start with our sour cream. And we're just going to place that into a bowl. And we're just going to make a white sauce to go with our enchiladas. Going to add some heavy cream and some queso fresco. Give that a mix. This is how our sour cream is looking, so go ahead and set this aside. So this is how our meat is looking. That looks really good. So what I'm going to do now is turn off the heat and place that into a bowl. And I did went and simmer that for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now grab a paper towel, and we're just going to wipe our skillet clean so we can start cooking our tortillas. Just like so. So now what we're going to do is add a little bit of oil to the skillet because we are going to be cooking our corn tortillas. And if you don't cook your corn tortillas and you just use them as is, they will fall apart. So what I like to do is cook them until they are somewhat crispy. I have a 9 by 13 dish over here, so what I'm going to do is remove my corn tortillas, and I'm going to place them right in here. Now that our corn tortillas are done, we are going to cook 2 flour tortillas. Okay, flour tortilla is done. Now it's time to assemble our lasagna. I had placed 6 corn tortillas on the bottom of this dish. So what I'm going to do is take my sour cream mix and spread that all over. Now take your chicken, and we're going to layer that on top. While we get this ready, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now take your favorite Mexican cheese and sprinkle that on top. Now take your flour tortillas and place that right on top. Spread your sour cream. Add more of your chicken. Now take the rest of your corn tortillas and we're going to place that right on top. Now finish the top with some cheese. After adding the cheese on top, go ahead and place this in the oven for about 15 minutes or until the top is golden. So my enchiladas lasagna is ready, guys. I went and topped it off with some Mexican cream, some avocado. Take a look. Doesn't it look amazing? Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.